Presenting JBL Cinema SP241. Wired subwoofer, power cord, HDMI cable, wall mount bracket kit with screws, quick start guide, warranty card, safety sheet. JBL Cinema SP241 delivers 110 watt of powerful sound from two full range drivers. Also, the wired subwoofer provides that extra deep bass to boost your listening experience of the movies and music entertainments. This soundbar comes with just 62mm height that can be placed under your TV, fits any home environment and won't block your TV's bottom edge. HDMI, ARC, Bluetooth and optical connectivity. Power cord. Subwoofer connection. Remote control with batteries. Power on.